I teach you how to operate the concrete pump. Before the concrete pump working, you must check somewhere. The main cylinder place, this place must has water inside. This place must has water inside. If not have water, you must add water inside. The water is protect the cylinder piston. To make it running smoothly. So must have water. If not have water, you must add it before turn on the machine. The next checking place is the lubrication pump. You see, the lubrication pump must have lubrication oil inside. And here, some of this place, you need to add some lubrication oil inside by the oil gun. The oil gun in the toolbox. You have. We send it together with the machine. Then we teach you how to connect the wire. It has 4 wires. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. The connect like this. 1, 2, 3. The 4th one to the ground. Here. This place. Okay. Now after checking, we can turn on the machine. Turn on the electric. Make the electric on. Okay. And I teach you the control platform. This is power on and off. When turn on, then the total machine can working. This is the motor start, motor stop, and this is pump. This is reverse, and this is pump stop. This one and this is lubrication oil pump. This one is lubrication oil pump, and we also has the remote control. Stop. This one means the power. The green one, same as the power supply. Same as this power supply. This one, power supply on and off. Use this one and this one. On, off, on, off. No. This one means this one. Motor start, motor off. And the pump. This pump means this one. The first one. This one. And the reverse means the second one. This one. The pump stop means here. This one. 1, 2, 3 means here. 1, 2, 3. And this is a vibrator here. This one. This is the vibrator. This one controlled here. Control this vibrator. Control this one. This is the remote control. And then we can start the machine. In normal working, only use this. I will show you one by one. Before working, the lubrication must on and off. This one control that one. We start it. You see the lubrication on, and start the motor engine. Motor started. Okay, the machine then is running. You can see the machine started already. If you want to pump the concrete put inside, then you can keep this pump. After you press it, then it starts working. This is in normal working. You see here. this is in normal working already. If you want to stop the pump, then put here, pump stop. Okay, pump already stop. And in normal working, you must turn this lubrication oil pump on. It means the lubrication must running. This one running. You see, running. And this one control the vibrator. It means when you discharge the concrete, to this defense, some bigger stone maybe cannot fall down. Use this vibrator can shaking, make the concrete fall down. That's it. And I will show you this one how to use, and this one how to use. In this just use in maintenance condition. If the concrete be blocked in the pipeline, then use this one. You check the oil cylinder inching. The oil cylinder inching means make this one work slowly. You see, when I check this one, then this one also slowly. And you see, the inside has piston. Normally use when you need to change the piston, then use this one. This one controls the swing cylinder here. The swing cylinder inching controls this one. Control this one. You see, if I touch here, then this one you see, start working. Yeah, you see, control this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, this just use in maintenance condition. Normal working, no need. And this one, reverse pump. Reverse pump means the pipeline has concrete be blocked in the pipeline, so you use the reverse pump to suck the concrete off. Okay, that's all. And another need checking is the pressure. The normal pressure you see is 12. 12 is normal pressure. This is no problem. And this pressure is just in working condition. You see, in normal pump. Okay, this all. Pump stop. Oh, another. This one, what's this usage? This one controlled here. Controlled the mixing. The hopper, you see, has a mixing blade. It has two directions. For there has one direction, running direction. You see, it's working. If you want to change the direction, reverse it to make it another direction, then pour here. The mixing direction changed. Okay. Thanks for your patience to learning the concrete pump, how to use it. Feel free to contact me if anything need my help. Thank you.